With the decline of infections across all provinces, the Ministerial Advisory Committee on COVID-19 has recommended an easing of restrictions on the movement of people and also gatherings. These recommendations have been discussed at the National Coronavirus Command Council. They've also been discussed with our premiers, our mayors, our traditional leaders, as well as a number of MECs in the President's Coordinating Council. They've also been discussed with leaders of political parties represented in Parliament and with faith-based organizations. Based on these discussions and the recommendations and the proposals that have been put forward and the requests, Cabinet has decided that the country, after considering all these, it has decided that the country should be moved from adjusted level 3 and be placed on adjusted level 2 with effect from tomorrow, which is Monday, the 13th of September 2021. What does this mean? This means that the hours of curfew will now start at 11 p.m. and end at 4 a.m. There is still a need for curfew. It also means that non-essential establishments like restaurants, bars, and fitness centers will need to close by 10 p.m. This is to allow their employees and patrons to travel home before the start of the curfew. It also means that all gatherings will now be limited to a maximum of 250 people indoors. And this has been raised from the 50 people indoors, and it will now mean that outdoors it will be limited to 500 people from the 100 that we had.